Guru is someone who takes us from darkness to light, from ignorance towards the knowledge. That's how powerful Guru is. Do you have a Guru in your life? Or do you play the role of Guru in someone's life? Definitely, you must have been playing, but you do not realize that. So, what is the importance of Guru in our life? I'll give an example. That anything, anywhere we want to go, anything we want to achieve or accomplish in life, we need guidance from someone who has already done that thing, isn't it? So, we want to learn some skill or anything from some person. That becomes a guide for us, for a teacher for us. But what about this life science? You know, we want to know many things about the objects and stuff. But what is the reality of life? What is the reality of death? What is the reality of this impermanence nature of life, of this changing nature of life? ये हमें कौन बताएगा? What is the root cause of suffering? Isn't it? तो जब उन छोटे छोटे चीज़ों के लिए गुरु हो सकते हैं, टीचर हो सकता है, so why not? The one who will help you meet yourself, the one who will introduce you to yourself. So do you have such guru in your life? Because when there is the guru, you blossom fully. आपके सारे टैलेंट, सारी क्रिएटिविटी बाहर निकलती है. Because you realize that there is some higher power with you. And that's why it has been said that Guru Govindo khade, kaake lago pae. Balihari Guru apno, Govind diyo milaye. What does that mean? That if there will be God and Guru, अगर दोनों साथ में आ जाएंगे, तो किसको मैं जाकर पहले पैर छूऊंगा? Then the person is saying that I will touch the feet of my Guru. Why? Because only of the Guru I was able to realize God, I was able to find myself. He made me meet the divine, the God. That's how powerful Guru is. Now there are two types of Gurus, the Siksha Guru and Diksha Guru. Siksha Guru is like you're learning something, your school, college teachers, mentors, you're learning from them any skill or something. That is your Siksha Guru. And then Diksha Guru, the one who makes you realize about your true nature. कौन हो आप? क्या करने हो यहाँ पे? What is the purpose of your life? You know, what is the secret of this life, this death? और जो आपको सारे suffering से बाहर निकाले. That's how powerful Diksha Guru is. And I'm so very grateful that I have all these forms of Guru in my life. I remember, you know, from since childhood, I had few things which I wanted to share. लगता था कि कुछ तो है जो मुझे शेयर करना है. I was not having that confidence. Confidence नहीं है. I was not having that confidence in myself that I will go out and share or I will do something till class 12. And now I'm in the final year of my masters and I have conducted few sessions, webinars and more than 400, 500 videos I've created with full confidence. And many counselings and many sessions I'm giving which is super helpful for people. Now you will say that it's me. No, it's not me. It's the power of the Guru. It's the Guru Tattva, the element who is taking care of you, who is helping you blossom by inculcating that self-belief, by inculcating that faith in you. That's what is happening with me. Because of that Guru element present in my life, I gained that self-belief, that self-confidence, which is unshakable, which is not coming from any outside world, that I will wear some makeup or, wear certain kind of clothes, then I will be confident. Yes, and people ask me, Pragya, how are you so confident? Even if you're so casually dressed and whatever, then still you're confident because the confidence is not based upon the outside stuff, the external things, because that will be shaky, isn't it? It is coming from within. So that's what happens when you have a presence of Guru in your life. And you all have that element of Guru Tattva inside you. Awaken that. And it's a must to have a Guru in your life. Lots of love and blessings and a very happy Guru Purnima to each one of you. Thank you.